Hello everyone. Today we are going to start mole concept, chapter of physical chemistry. Then what do you mean by mole? As we all know, one darjan means 12 things. Things it may be pen, pencil, banana. Group of 12 is known as one darjan. Group of 12 is known as one darjan. Just like that. 6.022 10 raised to 23 particles. 6.02 10 raised to 23 particles. Groups known as one mole. Particles, it may be atom, it may be ion, it may be molecule, it may be electron, it may be proton, it may be neutron. Now, one mole atom. What do you mean by one mole atom? One mole atom means 6.022 10 raised to 23. One mole, this number. Atom, atom. Clear? Now, place the value of atom. One mole sodium. What do you mean by one mole sodium? It means this one 6.02 10 raised to 23 particles of sodium. Clear to all? Now, one mole sodium. What is the another meaning? It means 23 gram. It's the weight of, it's the atomic mass of sodium. So one mole sodium means 6.023 particles of sodium, and that is also equal to 23 gram. Now, weight of, see this, it is known as Na. In short, it is known as Na. Na stands for Avogadro number. Avogadro number. Now, weight of Na particle of sodium. Na particle of sodium is equal to how many? 23 gram. Clear? Weight of Na particle of sodium 23 gram. इसलिए weight of one particle of sodium, what is the value? (23). Na particle weight 23 gram. Then weight of one particle, how much? This upon this. Now 23 divided by Na. 23 gram, gram. Now see this. 23. Can I write 1 by Na? Can I write this 23 to 1 upon Na? Now see this. 23 1 upon Na gram means AMU, atomic mass unit. AMU, atomic mass unit. Or we can say 23U, U for unified mass. Clear to all? Now, what is the note? Weight of one particle of any species is equal to A by Na. A by Na. What do you mean by A? A stands for atomic mass, molecular mass. Just see, let's see one question. Find the weight of one particle of Mg. Find the weight of one particle. Be careful, one particle. We are not asking one mole. We are asking one particle. So weight of one particle, always A by Na. Always A by Na. What is the value of A for magnesium? Atomic mass of magnesium 24 divided by Na. gram. That is the answer. Now next question, find the weight of one particle of sodium. 23 divided by, find the weight of one particle of HCl, hydrochloric acid. The answer is A by N. It means HCl means 36.5. What is the atomic mass and molecular mass of HCl? 36.5. 36.5 divided by Na. Or we can say 24 AMU, or we can say 24 U. Clear to all? Now, next we are going to start formula of moles. Formula of mole. We have three formula. Now we are studying first formula. First formula of mole. Mole is equal to given mass divided by molecular mass. Given mass, in short, W, and molar mass denoted by capital M, and moles are denoted by N. N is equal to W by M. Be careful. Mass must be in gram. Must be in gram. Why? Because molar mass also is in gram. That's why W must be in gram. Unit mole. Now we have one question. Find the moles of 1.8 gram of H2O. Find the moles of 1.8 gram of H2O. What is given in this question? W is equal to 1.8 gram. Value of W given 1.8 gram. Compound is what? H2O. Then molar mass of H2O 1 into 2 plus 1 atom of oxygen 16 gram. So it will become 18 gram. W molar mass, find N is equal to question mark. We have to find moles. Then use the formula N is equal to W by M. What is the value of W? 1.8, and molar mass 18. So 1 by 10 mole is the answer. Next question is find the moles of 64 microgram of CH4. Find the moles of 64 microgram of CH4. Then what is given in this question? W 64 microgram. Now you have to convert it micro. Why? Because W must be in gram. W must be in gram. Compound is what? CH4. Now find moles. Then use the formula W by M. What is the value of W? 64. Micro means 10 raised to minus 6. And what is the molecular mass of CH4? 12 plus 4. 64 divided by 16 into 10 raised to minus 6. 4 into 10 raised to minus 6 moles. And now, shall we go further? Okay. Now, second formula of mole. Second formula of mole. Then mole is equal to given particles divided by Na. Given particle divided by Na. What is the value of Na? As we all know, Na is equal to 6.022 10 raised to 23 particles.